In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the 1.1.1.1 VPN on your Android device, even if it's not available on the Play Store. First, open any browser on your phone, like Chrome. Now in the search bar, type 1.1.1.1 VPN download. Then open the official website by Cloudflare. Make sure you're on the correct site to stay safe. When the site loads, simply choose the Google Play Store option if you're on Android. It will automatically redirect you to the Play Store. Now, tap on Install to install the app. But if you see any error like, "This app is not compatible with your device," don't worry. Just go back, change your Play Store country to the United States, then connect to a VPN and try installing again. If you don't know how to change your Play Store country, just comment below. I'll help you out. And that's how you can install 1.1.1.1 VPN on your device. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.